Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we are back with wholesome new question which says let e equals to this, f equals to this, then the number of onto function from e to f. Great. So for onto function, what we used to do? We used to make groups. So how many groups we have to make? Two groups we have to make. So A, B, and how many people are there? Four. So 1, 3, and then now you can break down this thing. So only this many groups are possible. So after making groups, what you have to do? You have to do n factorial. So let's break down this thing. So we got 4 factorial by 3 factorial 1 factorial, and there is no repetition, so it is okay. Now you got 4 factorial upon 2 factorial 2 factorial, and you can observe the 2 is repeated twice, so for that 2 more factorial. Now you have to make what? 1 function. Now you know that there are two groups and there are two people in the next set. So first group will have how many choices? Two choices. Second group will have how many choices? One choices, because we have to make 1 function. So this into 2 factorial n factorial. So this will give you the required answer. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.